How to use the Downspout Survey dashboard. Downspout Survey is a visual inspection of downspouts often performed from the right-of-way, along with georeferencing of the results and taking pictures. The dashboard is your way of accessing the information. Here we are going to show you how. On average, 18,000 downspouts are surveyed every year. At this pace, by year 2028, all neighborhoods with suspect cross-connected downspouts are expected to be surveyed. Once you click the hyperlink, a window similar to this will open up. The dashboard has multiple components that we are going to review one by one. At the top left of the screen, the total number of downspouts verified in the field is shown. The blocks with the most verified downspouts are shown underneath that. The progress of the work is shown in the bottom left corner. Because the yearly tab is active, the yearly results are shown. Click the daily tab to see the daily progress of the work. Hovering over the bars reveals the exact day and count of the downspouts surveyed in that particular day. To see the data better, you can zoom in and out using these widgets. Or you can hit the expand button to maximize it. Maximizing the component helps with labeling of the information on the screen. You can still zoom in and get a better view of all the labels. When you're done, you can hit the collapse and go back to the previous view. The main part of the dashboard is the interactive map shown in the middle of the screen. As you interact with the map, the legend on the right side is automatically updated. Please take note of that as we showcase some of the features of the map. Let's click the orange polygon in the middle of the screen. A pop-up window appears indicating that block 35 has been selected. It shows high-level statistics about the selected block and the work completed here. For example, the total count of parcels and that 62% of them have been surveyed. A total of 8,087 downspouts have been surveyed here, from which only 19% are into the ground, and so on. You can zoom in and drill into these numbers. Let's take a look. There are multiple ways that you can zoom in and out. You can use the scroll bar on your mouse. You can use the plus and minus button on the bottom right corner. You can use the list on the top right side and pick a particular block, or you can just punch in an address. For example, let's try Brampton, Maine, and Queen. When you hit enter, it zooms in automatically on the address. It may take a few seconds to load. The legend has been updated and now shows different types of downspouts. Let's click a downspout and see what happens. A radio window shows up that suggests 5 features have been selected. Inlet number 1 is a downspout that has been selected at this address, inlet ID, inlet type, and more information provided. At the bottom, you can scroll down and see some of the pictures. And if you click a picture, it will show up enlarged in a separate window, allows you to zoom in and out. Let's go back to the main window. There are fields reserved for when we make modifications to the downspouts. For example, when we disconnect one. You can close the window, but also you may choose to pick other selected features. For example, you can look at the parcel fabric that this was located inside and read the information. Okay, you can close that and you can zoom out to see what's happening in the surrounding area. Once you zoom out, you will realize that there are a lot of green parcels. That means they have been surveyed and they are all within the block boundary. You can see that no work has been done in the neighboring block, and also there are parts of this block that have not been surveyed. Maybe we had better information that suggested against doing that. You can bookmark your favorite spot and you can use that to jump in and out of the map quickly. It is very important to highlight that this is not a dashboard for some old and historical data. No, this dashboard is live. The work that is being performed in the field today is immediately viewable here. The data is directly stored in the region's servers, which eliminates the need for transfer of information, cuts the human error, as well as the review time. It also enhances the product and cut the cost. Also, it enables us to immediately start the next step of the process by exporting the data in any desirable format. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you have any question or concern.